How to log out of Facebook from all devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of Facebook from all devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now tap on the menu icon that is on the bottom right. After doing that, on the top right corner, you'll find the settings gear icon. Tap on it. Now you're on your settings and privacy. Now from here, you will need to do some stuff here. So what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to search for your privacy settings. So to search for your privacy settings, you will need to head over to your first your privacy and settings, and on your privacy and settings, if you find your password and security settings here, that's great. So previously it was available right under settings and privacy, but now it's under Meta's account center. So head over to Meta's account center, and from here you can scroll down, and under account setting you'll find password and security. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll be right here. So what you can do is you can check a section there called where you're logged in. So tap on there, and now select your account. If you have added multiple accounts including your Instagram, it will be available here. So let's tap on our Facebook account, and now here you can see all of your devices that you've logged in into your Facebook. So from here you can simply scroll down all the way, and there you'll see select devices to log out. So tap on that, and now from here you can select all of the devices. You can tap on select all and then tap on log out. Tap on log out, and with that you will be logged out of your Facebook from all devices. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.